Hello everybody. So in this brief tutorial, we will be discussing about the features of MyRMB app which you have installed on your mobile phone. So once you have installed the app on your mobile phone and once you log in into the app, you will be seeing this kind of a dashboard which will show you all the options and details about your membership. So in the top part, you will be able to see the details about yourself, your joining date, your membership expiry details. Along with your photograph, you will be able to see your lifetime numbers. You can also see your points and scores that you have earned in the last 12 months and since last meeting. Along with that, you can add R2Rs, gratitudes, referrals, visitor details, and testimonials for your fellow members into the system by using this app very easily. When you click on the view activity option, this activity log area shows you all the R2Rs that you have done, all the gratitudes that you have given and received, all the referrals that you have given and received, and if any visitors you have invited for the upcoming meeting. So it has the options of watching all the transactions together. You can watch it since last meeting, that is in the last meeting that you had 1 week ago or 15 days ago as per the format and frequency of the meeting in your chapter. Then since last 12 months, so you can see the overall 12 months record of all the activities and also lifetime record. So along with this activity record, you can see the statistics since last meeting over here on the dashboard also of your R2Rs, gratitudes, testimonials, referrals and visitors, and also the lifetime records of R2Rs, gratitude, testimonials, referrals and visitors. If you click on the top menu navigation, you will be able to see all the other features which are available in the mobile app. Like for example, apart from the activity log, you can see the upcoming meeting details. You can also see the details of the past meetings which have happened in your chapter if everything is updated in this MyRMB app. After meetings, you can have an advanced search option. So over here, you can search any particular member by their name, organization name, chapter name, keywords, or even email IDs and PIN codes and mobile numbers. You can also select any particular chapter's details also. So here for an example, I searched for only one particular chapter and it has given me the results of all the members within that keyword in that particular chapter. After searching, you get the option of watching your entire calendar. The calendar shows the upcoming member birthdays and the upcoming meetings of your chapter and other chapters in MyRMB system. You can also check your fee details, news and updates, chapter goals, and your scores. Let us show the scores over here. So as you can see, these are the scores that you receive as per all the activities and actions like R2Rs, gratitudes, referral sharing, and your attendance in the chapter meetings that you earn in the system. And if you click on that particular score, you will be able to see a bifurcation of that score also, that for which activity you got how much of score. These scores can also be seen since last meetings, since last 12 months, and overall lifetime records also. Apart from scores, as a member, you can check all the reports of yourself in My Report section in PDF option or in Excel options. Over here, you can see that you can get the entire details of your activities in report formats for your R2Rs, gratitudes, testimonials, visitors invited, etc. etc. So this is a brief tutorial of MyRMB app. We request you to do all the entries of your R2Rs, gratitudes, and referral sharing over here. If you face any problem, you can contact your MyRMB admin of your chapter. Thank you so much.